Hey guys, Tab the Tech here. We are going to be discussing, dropped something. We're going to be discussing an issue I had this morning with my Acura TL. Basically started it up, and what had happened was I started hearing a belt hitting something noise, so I go ahead and open the hood up and I see one of the pulleys loose, so the belt is not on straight and is hitting one of the frame. So today we'll go ahead and get into that adventure, but I do want to say this is my first video, so if this is something that's happening to you, definitely stay around and try to explain to you how we're going to get this done. Again, this is my first video, so it would be really appreciated if you guys could go ahead and like and subscribe for it. I will have a lot of content coming out. Just bought my first house, so we really haven't had the chance, to do this project, as never had a garage, first garage. So really excited to see what will come about. But yeah, let's get to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the car, and I'm gonna show you guys what is actually going on. So what happened is, anytime I start the car, this pulley, trying to zoom into it, right there is wiggling, and it's causing the belt to come off from there, as well as here. It is not on the tracks. Obviously you can tell it's halfway off and halfway on. Every time I put it back onto the tracks, it comes right off, because that pulley right there. Got the car started. Now you have a better view of this one wiggling. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and basically just go under the car, see what we got going on, because there's no way you can work on that from the top of the hood. I am gonna go under the car. I'm gonna wiggle it around, see if it's loose. I mean, pulleys with the amount of mileage, this is 187,000 miles on it. Probably have none of the changes. It's pretty common after that time of age for them to get worn out. I think they have bearings inside of them which just kind of mess up, and they just start wiggling around. I've replaced the idler pulley before, so we're gonna go ahead and get that started, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so real quick, I just moved into this house. I do not have jack stands or a jack. If I did, that is the method I would have used. If you have it, I would recommend you use it. You put it on the jack stand, put it up in the jack, then put it on the jack stand, and then you take this tire out. And once you take this tire out, you kind of have a lot of access. You might need to take the fender out. Alright, so this is the tire right here. Right in here. If you try to get better light, this was snapped into like this. Pull it out. Mine's already missing on top, but if you have clips right here, just pop them out. There is another one right there. That one right there. But you need to pop out so we can get access behind this. And then we'll have full access to that pulley. So I can actually go here, move this down, just connect it to the bottom. Splash pad. So, I'm gonna get this my leg focus. we are looking at this pulley. This pulley